Right, people, welcome back to Team Insane Trading. This little video, it's only a short one. I want to sort of explain my interpretation of price action and how it moves and the higher high, higher low interpretation. So we've had this downward movement and we're now in a upward trend. We've got a trend line. And what I'm going to do is just draw the price action. So we start with a low, we get a new high, we get a higher low, a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher low only just, and then it started to bounce around a little bit, and now this is what I just call price action in between market structure. So if we take this off, so let's have a look. If we pull it over here, so we got the low, got a high, got a higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Then it's bouncing around. It fails to make a new high. So if we take this there and we take that, so the most recent high and low, the valid high and low, this is not a valid high or low, it's just price action in my opinion. So when this price action either breaks and makes a new high or a new low and a break in market structure, then we have a valid high or low. So at the moment it's looking to break through and make a new high. It is struggling a little bit, and we could see this sort of reverse at that point. It may be that it's at a point where it's burning out and it's losing momentum. But if it does reverse and it breaks this low, then we've got a break of market structure. So we'll be looking for something like this: a break, a retest, and a break to confirm our downward bearish trend. So that would be our bearish market structure. If it carried on and made a new high, then you're looking at a continuation. So that is my sort of interpretation of market structure and the higher lows. And yeah, I think if you keep it as simple as that, it sort of makes sense. You can get into more detail with it, and I've seen videos with more detail, but if we look at what's actually happening now, it's still struggling to make a new high here. If you look at that, the wicks touch, but we've not had an actual candle body close above this high. So for me, there's no new high. It's more like a double top, and we could see a revert. This could be a reversal. If we see it break this trend line, I'll be looking to get in on a sell. And that's all I'm waiting for, really. I'm waiting for a break of this structure, and we can see it now. It's starting to take shape. But this, this price action is quite simple. When you see this, it's just consolidation and it's bouncing around and it's waiting to make the next move, and that's all it is for me. If anybody's got any comments on that or think I'm wrong, this is just my interpretation. This is not financial advice or anything like that. So this is just me learning the markets, learning how to trade, and picking up off different various sources and what they would interpret as market structure. But yeah, please like, subscribe, share, comment, anything you can to help this channel. We are new and we're just trying to make it out there, so give us your support. We're all in the same game, guys. There's winners, there's losers, and we want to be a winner. So thank you very much, and we will see you next time.